Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have the table here is giving the typical amounts of energy per gram expressed in both food calories and kilojoules of the three macronutrients in food. And if we're saying X food calories is equal to K kilojoules, which of the following is the relationship between X and K? So we see that 4 food calories is equal to 16.7 joules, and 9 food calories is equal to 37.7 joules. We also have another 4 is equal to 16.7, but that's just telling us the same thing that the protein told us, so we can just ignore that. So we know when the food calories X is equal to 4K, the kilojoules is equal to 16.7, and when X is equal to 9, K is equal to 37.7. And we can see whether this is a linear equation or not, right, by plugging it into these values, or into these equations, and we'll see if they line up. So we can't just say, okay, we have these 2 points, let's find the line, because one of our options is not a linear equation, right? And there is a line that goes through these points, but if it's not the actual relationship, then we'll get a false positive. We'll get a line that isn't actually the relationship. So we have to plug in our points to see if it's accurate. So K is equal to 0.24x. K is 16.7 is equal to 0.24 times X is 4. 16.7 is equal to 0.24 times 4 is 0.96. This is not true, so A is not the answer. K is equal to 4.2x. So K is 16.7. Again, we're just trying this first point. We have to try both points, but if the first point doesn't work, we don't have to try the second point. So we already know A is out. So for this first point, K is equal to 16.7 is equal to 4.2 times 4. So here we have 16.7 is equal to 16.8. So it's not exact, but we can see if the relationship holds with the next point. So K is 37.7, when X, 4.2 times X is equal to 9. So in this case, we have 37.7 is equal to 4.2 times 9 is equal to 37.8. So what do we have here? We have a linear relationship, right? These are not exact, but the real life relationship between food calories and kilojoules is not going to be exact to the nearest tenth of a gram. So this, we can expect a little bit of difference, but we're saying these are basically the same. We have a linear relationship where the kilojoules is equal to 4.2 times the food calories. So B is going to be our answer. We know it's not C because only one line can fit this situation. And just to show that our equation right here is not the only one that's not linear, to show that it's not the case, let's just plug in. We have K, or XK is equal to 4.2. Well, X is 4 times 16.7 is equal to 4.2. This is equal to 68.8, which is not equal to 4.2. So D is not our answer. So we know B is going to be our final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.